Commercial Toaster Oven Market Report 2024. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global commercial toaster oven market size will be $1,542.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market share for more than 40% of the global revenue and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe accounted for a market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $462.66 million. Asia Pacific held a market share of around 23% of the global revenue and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America had a market share of more than 5% of the global revenue and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa had a market share of around 2% of the global revenue and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.